State-owned passenger rail of South Africa back in the spotlight at the State Capture Commission. Former chairperson Popo Molefe was cross-examined by his predecessor, Sifiso Buthelezi. The two were previously implicated at the commission for abuse of their power at the state-owned entity. However, Molefe has denied the allegations, saying that he fought attempts to capture the passenger rail agency.
I did say that Prasa was a victim of state capture, but I did also say what attempts were made to as part of consolidating the capture of Prasa, to capture me as well.
Molefe told the commission that he was not involved in the contract to provide him with personal bodyguards. The contract cost the state-owned entity 6 million rand.
I do not need validation that I'm a state capture pastor. I mean, that is a matter for public records, so I don't need validation. With regard to the appointment of the Black Hawk, it is true that they were appointed, but they were appointed not by me, by the company. The circumstances under which they were appointed was that my life was under threat and we could not rely on the security that Prasa had employed at the time.
Molefe said he was surprised when he found out that the directors under his leadership had paid themselves without the approval from government. He said he had traveled overseas when he saw monies in his bank account amounting to 680,000 rand. Molefe said he returned the cash to Prasa and advised the other directors to do the same.
When I found that the minister had not approved, I took a decision myself voluntarily, without anybody having asked for anything from me, to say that I'm paying back this money until such a time that the process of approval has been effected by the minister. That's how I paid back the money.
Molefe told the commission that to some extent, former Prasa CEO Lucky Montana and Buthelezi misled the new board in 2014. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.